Welcome back, guys. Today's video is all about deliciously stuffed cheesecake waffle cones. This is everything you'll need to recreate the cheesecake filling. I'll make sure I leave a recipe link for the proportions below. So I'm going to start by pouring in my whole milk into a mixing bowl, and then I whisk in my Jello pudding. Make sure you whisk it in so it doesn't clump up on you. You don't want any clumps of white chocolate Jello. It's not going to taste good. So just whisk that for about a minute. Next, we're going to add in some cream cheese flavoring. It just adds another layer of flavor for me. I personally love it. Let me know how you like it if you try it. Whisk this for 2 minutes and it will start to thicken up. That's how you know that it is ready. So once you get to 2 minutes, go ahead and pop this in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. When you bring it out, it's going to be thick, and we're going to make this creamy now by adding extra creamy Cool Whip, the secret ingredient. It kind of changes it from a pudding to like a mousse. So with the Cool Whip, we're gonna fold this in, gently fold this in. If you go ham on the Cool Whip, it's going to turn into soup, and we don't want that. So gently fold this in. These are all of our ingredients for the assembly line for our cones. So this is almond bark I'm using to coat the inside of my cone. If you don't do this step, your cones will get soggy and they won't taste as good. So go ahead and coat the inside of your cone with almond bark or candy melts if that's what you choose to use. I let this dry for about 5 minutes at room temperature, and I am going to start layering this thing. I have some vanilla cake pieces that I'm going to pop in the middle of this waffle cone. I put my cream cheese mixture into a piping bag so it will be easier to pipe in, and I just begin layering the cone. Think of a parfait, but in a waffle cone, which makes it even better. This is strawberry jam, which adds another layer of deliciousness. And you just fill her up. There's no right or wrong way to do it, just make it good. Now, here comes the good part. I am going to bring in the strawberry crumble. I do have a separate video on how to make this strawberry crunch. You can use it for the outside of your cones or strawberry crunch cake. So make sure you check that video out. Click here right now. I could have stopped at the strawberry cheesecake waffle cones, but I decided to make a chocolate praline waffle cone. Check these babies out. So this is melted chocolate that I am using to coat the inside of the cone with so that it does not get soggy. And I will make sure that I leave the link for this recipe in the description box below as well. So for my chocolate praline cone, or maybe I should call it a chocolate turtle cone. I don't know. Let me know what I should name these in the description box below. Leave a comment. But this is an Oreo crumble. It's just crumbled up Oreos, but it looks delicious. Now, on the inside of my waffle cone, I am going to layer some brownie pieces. In the middle, I have some chocolate pudding mixture that I made the same way as I made the strawberry cone, layered in with some toasted pecans, some salted caramel, and it was pure deliciousness. You have got to try this recipe. It was so good. Drizzle on some more salted caramel along with some chocolate drizzle and pure deliciousness. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in to my stuffed waffle cone deliciousness extravaganza. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.